guys, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. In today's video, I want to do something fast, easy, and quick for all beardsmen. Now, as you guys have noticed, my hair looks really nice. It's because I got myself a haircut. Now, after getting my haircut, I have this section right here on my sideburns that just need a little bit of attention. And I'm going to dive in here just a little bit with your barber. Now, when you do get your hair cut, the most important thing is to have verbal confirmation when it comes to your beard in your hair and how you want it faded. So for me, when I go tell and talk to my barber, I usually just say, right here, let it go. Just work up on top the hair, I'll take care of the rest at home. And that's where I want to show you guys, when we do come home from the barber, our beards, more often than not, start to look scraggly because we have something really nice on top and we haven't really paid too much attention on bottom. So let's go ahead and get out our rolling brush and also our clippers with a guard on it. And we're gonna take about 10 seconds on each side to clean up our beard so that way it fades great into our hair. So let's go ahead and bring it in just a little bit. And this is the area where I wanna show you guys that needs to be cleaned up. And I always like to use my earlobe as a guide. So if I look straight on to the camera, you guys can see I have this little lump right here next to my ear. Now this all comes with preference. Now I can't say what looks good or not because in the end, that's what comes on to you. If you want it to be or look that way, that's on you. But for me, I like a beard look a certain way, and mine is I like to have a nice clean fade from the top of my earlobe right into the bottom of my earlobe, right where it comes into the beard. So let's go ahead and stop talking and start trimming. Now go ahead and use your finger if you need to as a guide. We're gonna go ahead and put our guard a little bit on the longer side. So let's make it about maybe an 8 or a 10. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from the lobe and we're just gonna fade up into the hair because we already have the fade from the sideburns. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish it off with the beard. And as you guys can see, the beard hair is very long and that's where we want to cut up. So if you want to, go ahead and pull it out. And then we're gonna use that line and then we're just gonna go ahead and write up. Yep. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That, like I said, it took 10 seconds. We find that right length. And usually for me, it's about an 8 or a 10. And we're cleaning up this area so that way it's not so bouffant. And we have this nice fade and then this bush of a sideburn. So this management that we need to do in between cuts, this really elongates the beard. So let's go ahead and do the same on the other side. Let's use our finger as a reference. Let's pull out that hair as much as possible. We're gonna put my finger right here, find the hair and just ride up. And that's it. And that quick tip and trick will actually make your haircut and your beard growth a lot longer because we elongated the part from the bottom of our hair right into the top of our beard. And we used to have this rough and tumble spot right here, and now it's nice and clean and it'll fade right into the beard. We've got a nice cheek line from the earlier post that we did this week, and everything's looking great. And to finish everything off for you guys after we trim and fade our beards, let's go ahead and get that rolling brush and just roll it on down. And look how much of a difference it makes when you do this. So the frizz is gone. The mustache is flexed out. And we are in total beard glory. Okay, the hair is on point, the mustache is on point, and the beard is on point. So through these weeks that we're ending up in November, this is an important time that you can just do these little cuts and these little fades that can extend our beard growth. So for you guys out there, make sure you're styling, you're shaping, and you're using the proper products and the proper tools to create that great look that we all want. So that being said, due diligence, go slow, smooth, and small. And in the end, it's good practice for you guys. That way we're on vacation or we need a quick cleanup, we can do it ourselves. Like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!